Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from your account in the Trendyol app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we can browse and buy some articles. From here we just go into the account menu. It opens up like this. From here we just scroll down to the bottom, and at the very bottom we find sign out. We can tap on this, and then the app is going to prompt us if we are sure about this decision and if we really want to sign out, and then we can confirm by tapping on log out, or if we are not so sure we can tap on cancel and go back to using our account in the app. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.